good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are watching this. So I wanted to do an intro to this video purely because it's just going to be all over the place, I'll be honest with you. I have to really thank Alex Toon, who's got a YouTube channel. He keeps asking me to give him a shout out, so there you go. Alex Toon, go check him out. And Sean C. They did most of the videoing that you are going to see in this, purely because where things go wrong on the day, you get lost in the moment and you end up forgetting to record, to be honest with you. So real special thanks to them too, because without them there will be no footage. So just to explain what's gone on over the past few days. So me, Alex, Tom and Mark met up with Dave Jaguar in the Broadwalk Hotel on the Thursday night, had a meal, just had a chat and a laugh. And then on the Friday we had me, Dave Jag, Sean C, Mark, who's Tom's dad, Team Slaphead, who you'll see a lot in this video, funny enough, because Tooney did all the videoing. We also had Mini Tom for a bit as well. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. And now all them guys helped me try to put the front end on. Now, we managed to get a front end in a fashion, which you will see. It's clamped together at the moment and it's got real poor tack welds on it. I'm having serious issues with the welder. We put a new liner in it, we put new tips on it, and it's just not feeding. It's sort of like, it's starting to feed, then it's stopping. I will do that in a later video anyway, explaining, but we had welding issues. So, we've managed to get the A panels on. They're tack welded on, they're really nice, really good fit, Heritage. The wings are some Italian company, I'll have to get the name for you because they're a very good fit, to be fair. The front panel Magnum didn't fit. Shock, horror, so it didn't fit. But we've got it to fit. So, with that being said, that was on the Friday day, and then to the evening, we had all them guys minus me, Tom, because he had to go home. Then we had Adam Campion turn up, we had Keith Miller, Paul P, we had Ben, we also had, do we have anybody else? Oh, Tom Shorrock and Alex Toon again. And then we had obviously a couple of subscribers that came down as well, a couple of Instagram guys, which was really nice. Absolutely top night. Real good fun, real good guys, good chat, good laugh. So that was the Friday night. Then Saturday, me, Tom, Mark, who else was there? Dave Jag, Paul P, Keith Miller and Alex Toon. We all went up to see Tom's new project. I'm not going to release that one for him. So Tom's new project, we all had a look at that and a laugh at it, and yeah, good luck with that one, Tom. We all had a look at that. Then we jetted off down to where Alex keeps his Mini, because it's in a secure location. Nobody's allowed to see it, but we went down and seen that. Tom brought his Mini down as well. Again, I've got some footage of that. That's actually my footage. So I've got some footage of that. Again, absolutely great company. Massive thank you to the guys that have travelled far and wide for this little YouTube, mate. It was really good. We're going to be holding it quite often. Well, at least once a year, we'd like to say. And obviously the show season is going to be a big show season for all the Mini guys this year, I think, especially at IMN. We try to get Cole and we try to get Randy over as well. So you guys, if you're watching this, you're coming. So I think that's more or less it. Oh, no, it's not it. The giveaway. I'm finally announcing what the giveaway is. I've been waiting for this. Dave Jaguar has designed this, well, with a bit of help of me. I didn't know what the tagline was going to be. But as you can see, I'm welding Man t-shirt, the North of England's answer to the Stig. Which I think is quite apt, really. It's quite correct. I am the Stig. So yeah, there we go. So this is not this one, but the winner of the competition will be receiving one of these in your size. I will post worldwide because I'm that cool of a guy. I'll also include a little surprise in there for the winner. A surprise will be, and I should know the person who's won. Hopefully my subscribers I know pretty well, so I should know them and I should be able to put something special in for that person as well. So the way it's going to work is, the way to enter the competition is I would like to know, because we're all Mini guys, or most of the Mini guys, what I'd like you to comment with is, if it wasn't a Mini, what would it be and why? So old school, new school, whatever you want to be. I know a few guys, we've had a couple of laughs and jokes about what it would be. I was into Novas before I was into Minis, so I want to know what it would be and why. And all you have to do is just comment below, make it as long, make it as short as you want. We'll do a random YouTube comment picker, And we're going to do this, we're going to run this till after Christmas period because Raw Phil won't post anything right now. So we're going to do this after that. And I'm going to announce the winner actually on my daughter's birthday, and she will be 7 on the 7th of January. So I'm going to announce it on that day because I think that's quite a special day, and I think that'd be really nice to include her. So I'm going to get her to click the buttons and everything like that, and then she can announce who's won the competition. So with all that being said, like I said, apologies, it's all over the place. I forgot to do the filming. Everybody else did it for me. So enjoy. Thanks, guys.
So basically what's happening here, I'm sat in my van with the heating on. They're all out there doing the front. It's a little bit cold, so stick my window up. You're on camera, mate. Give yourself.
Supervising. Right.
So when Toonie comes to your house for a coffee, he gets his own mug that he brought round for me, just to make his coffee in. This is Toonie's coffee.
What's this?
Don't pretend you don't know your High School Musical stuff.
The only thing I like about High School Musical is that blonde one on there. That's the only thing I like about that. Cheers, lad. Love it.
Oh, you awkward little girl. Third time lucky, yeah? Third time lucky, that. Fair enough. Don't care. Seeing as how you are, the Godfather.
Oh, that's from age only, obviously. Cheers, man.
YouTube Godfather, Dave Jaguar 66.
Track wearing that, but I'll put it on. I'll put a jumper over the top. You got somewhere I can
just
got
a
Christmas
jumper on tonight.
Oh,
Anyway,
thank you so much. Is it tent size?
It's what do you call it? It's,
XXL.
I got it from Martin.
One up from a marquee.
That one, it looks good, doesn't it?
I like the louvers though, they're nice.
I love the louvers. I'm not sure about the things.
Warming up there, mate.
Oh, the louvers are cool.
So what are you going to put? So you're not going to put any strengthening in it?
I'm not sure. Do you know that?
It's a bit flimsy, isn't it?
Yeah. I've got two bonnets. I can take the middles out one.
I would.
Brace them.
It's quite flimsy, isn't it? When you picked it up.
Yeah.
I mean, once it's on the wings, it's different, but I'll still put it in.
They got
You
good
can
on.
press down on it a bit too much, you know, when you lift it up. Especially when you lift it up and down there without it in, you're going to pull it to the centre.
Yeah, definitely.
That wing's sharp.
on, no.
That one's really nice. That one's like,
Yeah.
have you got a tape measure? Do you want to see if there's repeat rolls in the wrong place? Fucking hell.
Dave.
Yeah.
Tom, do you want that?
Oh, come on,
I'll wear that.
Let's get rid of that.
Welding man.
Welding man.
We're looking down here, looking right down here. You just make sure it's pulling as far as you can get it. Put it on there. Just think about it there. I'll tell you what, that camera's not going to look good where I am.
Yeah, what's in the right position now?
It's alright, Tom, I don't have the bike in position.
Tom, he's not fussy anyway, mate.
That's alright.
I'm not, mate. I'm married and I've got kids, mate. Don't worry about it. Any older
So where's it the feed on that, the motor?
Motor.
That's fucked.
Yeah. I think the bearings are
You can hear it.
dry.
So that's the same as Tom's, isn't it?
Yeah, just a bit smaller, Tom's.
They get 135.
We got 135. Yeah, that's what it is.
Does Tom know?
I kind of wish I'd gone for that
Does
one.
Tom know?
Yeah.
No, just putting it.
Alright,
Because this video will go out before Christmas probably.
Yeah, we'll do it. We'll
Started.
yeah. So you stop sticking that in my face, mate.
How?
Not me.
What's wrong with your face? Or are you right enough it's starting to go blurry?
I'm alright, just video him there. Just get him on camera. Doing rock haul, keep him warm. Supervising.
Yep.
Hold out there.
Good. Okay, so let's count it on. Tom?
Welding man.
Get your helmet on. What happened if you pull trigger on that now? When you just fire
What's that?
what would you do if you pull trigger on that now?
Mine, it go dark.
No, on that.
Nothing. Just come out the end.
I don't know anything about welding, do you? Stop it now for now. I've not got an equity card.
You want one of these, it's from Cross Installation Centre.
How much are they? And here at the Broad Oak Hotel, we find a very rare breed, mini YouTubers. They flock to minis. Once they see one, they have to stop. How that fast